Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to run Android Automotive Emulator on your PC using the latest 2025 setup method. This gives you full core OS experience right on your computer, perfect for testing apps, exploring the interface, or creating automotive UI tutorials. Let's get started with the full setup guide. First, you need to check visualization is enabled in your PC or laptop. To check that, right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager and go to Performance and select the CPU. In visualization, you can able to see enabled in my case. If in your case it shows disabled, then check my video description for this video link. Just watch this video to enable the visualization. After enabled the visualization, you can proceed to the steps shown in this video. Just open up Chrome and set Android Studio and press enter. Select the first official site. Select the Android Studio outer and scroll down and select the I have read and agree with the above terms and condition and select download Android Studio. It started downloading 1.3 GB. After the downloads get done, just click on it and install it, guys. Select the yes option and select next and select next and select next and select install. And after get this done, select this next option and select finish. Select the don't send option. Select here next option and select next and select the next option and select this accept option and select next. Select this yes option after the installation done and select finish. And you can able to see more actions drop down and select this virtual device manager. Select this plus icon on the top. Select the allow option. Select this plus icon to create a virtual device. From factor, select automotive and select here the icon. As you can see, Play Store icon. There are three versions that has Play Store in it. Go with the highest resolution in here and select next option and go to additional settings. To set the internal storage, you just need to open up File Explorer. In my case, I have 100 GB free in my C drive. You can set half of the free space, guys. In my case, 100, so I'm setting 50 in here. And scroll down. To set the CPU cores, you just need to open up Task Manager and go to Performance. Select the CPU. In here, you can able to see how much cores your system has. Now you just need to select half of your system cores. In my case, I have 24. I'm selecting half 12. And same thing for RAM. Open up Task Manager, go to memory, and as you can see 32 GB RAM I have. So I can set to 16 GB over here, half of my RAM, and then go to devices. In API, click on the drop down, make sure Android is selected latest and select the finish option and select yes option. After this installation done, select the finish option. And now the automotive emulator has been created with Google Play. Select this play option. And that's it. You now have the full Android Automotive OS running on your PC using the 2025 emulator setup. If this guide helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe and comment below if you want more Android Automotive or emulator tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.